Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to play Pokemon Go without moving. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So to play Pokemon Go without moving is pretty simple. So this is only a alternative, and I want to give a warning to whoever's going to do this. Please be cautious and use this properly since it might get you banned. So basically all you have to do is actually just connect your Pokemon Go account. Oh wait, I was meant to press this button. So you go to your Niantic account, you connect it, and basically from there you just connect it and save your info. And then all you have to do is go to your browser or your PG Sharp. This only works for Android and this doesn't work in iOS yet. So all you have to do is download PG Sharp right here. Just press the download APK button right here. So it's easy to use. There's no root required. Just install it. It's an alternative Pokemon Go application that has pretty much every feature that you need. So I'll show you how it looks like, guys. So as you can see here, I'm using the PG Sharp in my Android device. And you can see also here that I can move freely with the joystick button. You can also do a lot of cool features here and catch cool Pokemons, teleport, and other things like that. As you can see, I'm already moving my character right to left. So basically, that's just how you move in Pokemon Go without ever leaving your place. So thank you for watching this video and see you again next time.